For this repair, you will need all-purpose plastic wood filler, sandpaper, a can of wood stain, a sponge, and a damp cloth. It's important to not shake your can of wood stain because we want to use the oil that sits on top for the lighter color it provides. Notice the color difference in the sponges. Mixing the can will give you a darker color. This is the crack we will be repairing in today's example. First, we take our sandpaper and sand down the area of the crack so it can be prepped and ready for the plastic wood. Take a little bit of plastic wood on your finger and start at one end of the crack and start to move up. Use any excess to fill in as you move along. As shown here, a little goes a long way. With a straight edge object, scrape along the length of the crack to remove any excess plastic wood that might have been left behind. Take your damp cloth and gently run it along the crack to get rid of any leftover plastic wood. This is what it should look like before you start painting. Dip your sponge in the oil that sits on top of your can of wood stain and gently run it along the crack. We advise to let it dry between coats for a better blend and end result. The paint intensity varies on your table color, however, if you go too dark, it's an easy fix by gently rubbing the layer you just put down with a damp cloth. After letting it dry between coats, our recommendation is 5 minutes each. Your end result should look something like this, a seamless blend. We hope this guide has been helpful, but if you have any questions or concerns, feel free to reach out to us or leave a comment below. We'd love to hear from you.